This is Senator Bagul speaking for the first time this session. Judges and PO, give me a sign when ready. Hello, Senators. Today we are here to discuss whether or not the U.S. should take action against North Korea. I stand in firm negation of this legislation. My reasons include that North Korea always over-exaggerates their power. They do not have the capabilities, and they have failed their launch tests numerous times. First of all, North Korea always exaggerates what they can and cannot do. For example, Kai Jan of the Center of North Korean Studies at Fudan University in Shanghai said that, "I doubt the ability of North Korea to conduct a real hydrogen bomb test. In the past, they have always over-exaggerated their power." This shows how even people of profession know that this is a fact. So there is no point in investing actions against North Korea. Not only this, but North Korea simply does not have the capabilities to produce a hydrogen bomb. CNN states that the U.S. still does not accept North Korea's claim that it tested a hydrogen bomb, but air sampling conducted after the test has proved inconclusive, the official said. That prompted another look at the seismic data. That analysis showed that the test was conducted more than 2 times deeper underground than originally assessed, at a depth which is consistent that might be needed for a hydrogen bomb. However, the size of the seismic event and other intelligence indicates that it was not a fully functioning device. The official said that it's possible that North Koreans believe that they conducted a full hydrogen bomb test, but the U.S. believes it was likely only some components, perhaps a detonator which exploded. This shows how North Korea is simply not capable of producing successful hydrogen bombs. On top of this, they exaggerate how much they can actually achieve. So again, I ask, why should we take actions against a nation that simply cannot produce what they say it can? My final reason is that North Korea has failed their launch tests. In April, North Korea tested the Musdan 3 times, but it crashed into the sea or exploded seconds after takeoff each time. North Korea also has a long record of problems in its efforts to develop intercontinental missiles, including an embarrassing failure in April 2012, just moments after Kim Jong-un took power. This shows how North Korea cannot do what it says it can. Additionally, North Korea fired what is believed to be a submarine-launched ballistic missile off its east coast on Saturday, according to the South Korean military. The missile flew only 19 miles, a flight that is too short to be called a successful launch. South Korea's Office of Joint Chiefs of Staff said in a statement, "This happened as recent as 2016. All of this comes down to the fact that there is no point in trying to take action against a nation. To refute what Senator Mainani said, he said that North Korea has many nuclear warheads. While this may be true, North Korea will never actually use them against the U.S. because they know that the U.S. will hit them back with something that is far worse. So there is no point in taking actions against this because it's no immediate threat to America. So Senators, please join me in firm negation of this legislation. Thank you, and I dedicate the rest of my time to questions."
Okay, it's 2:58. Questions?
Senator, you say that North Korea isn't as dangerous as they say they are, but a former National Security Council member said that North Korea has become more dangerous after Trump took office. Shouldn't we take someone as highly ranked as him seriously?
Well, I think that while this may be true, North Korea won't do anything against the United States because after numerous tries of missile strike, after numerous attempted missile strikes and stuff, nothing has actually worked. So I don't think we should take their word on it.
Okay. Manu?
Senator, even failed missile tests do actually improve their knowledge on nuclear missiles. So just because they have had a lot of failed missile tests doesn't mean that they're not advancing quite rapidly.
Senator, they have time and time again. In 2012, in 2012 they did a missile strike, and then again in 2016. Both of these had no successful conclusions, so there's...
Okay. Online questions? No? So?
Senator, we know that North Korea has medium and long-range missiles and are within striking distance of South Korea, Japan, and the West Coast, or maybe even the West Coast of the United States. And so doesn't that pose them as a very dangerous threat, as they can attack any time that they please?
I think that, while this may be true, I don't think that they will actually attack any nations because they know that they all have success. They all have very powerful allies that can take actions against them. So.
Okay. Vicky?
Senator, your data's from 2016. That is almost 4 whole years ago, and that doesn't that give North Korea a lot of time to improve on their weapons?
All right, thank you, Senator.